Hey, what's up, fellas? Welcome back. I'm Corey, and this is Get Sharp. Today, 2 pairs of loopers walked in. First one, Fiskars. I can disassemble them and take these to the Tormek. The second pair, these things are riveted together. No disassembly. But I think what I'm gonna try to do is place the belt of my 1x30 in between the guard and the blade and go for laser sharp. Let's take a look. All right, so on the Tormek system here, loopers, I'm gonna go ahead and go with 45 on the WM200. That's what the scratch test is suggesting, and scratch test never does me wrong. All right, I had to make an adjustment to the blade because I wasn't able to reach the tip. All right, now for the fun ones. These ones cannot be removed. You can see I took a file to them a little bit, but let's see if we can speed this process up. Got to burr super fast. I wonder if these things can cut. All right, here's a local hardwood shrub. Oh yeah, look at that. Boom, no problem. So my laser edge reader came in at 21 degrees per side, right where I want it. That's perfect. Easy money. And just like that, we got beer money for the next week or two. That's 20 bucks. Oh yeah, too easy, too easy. So you put this in between the blades. When you get the loopers you can't disassemble, get it wedged in between the belt and have this guard come up and touch underneath the belt. And that's gonna give you about 20 degrees on each side. Like I said, too easy. And sharpening these on the Tormek, oh, it's just so satisfying, so much fun. And that bevel looks so beautiful. Well, I am happy, and I appreciate you for swinging by. If you're new here, I got new videos coming out every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and some really cool ones on the weekends. And if you've been here before, say what's up in the comments. Let me know you swung by. All right, guys, it's time to relax. Have a good night. Bye.